Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. After today's drop in the previous video, we talked about another drop and to lose support most likely and to get into my target area here, which then also happened. And you can see how nicely the price actually reacted to this target area. It jumped out of it, made a higher high, but hasn't broken yet about the above the 1310 level. That's an important level that I mentioned in the previous video, the move above the 1310 level. Yeah. This would be quite important to do this because it would basically it would allow the price to break out of the range. And we could then eliminate further bearish patterns, at least in the very short term. Yeah. What we can see is a possible 5-wave move to the upside already since the low. That is already a good signal. Yeah, we could count this here like this, yeah. So basically as a possible wave 1 up here in 5 waves, a wave 2 retracement that happened, a wave 3 would have to happen next, but I can really only confirm that if we get above 1310, that would be or increase the bullish potential of this chart, yeah. So at the moment, we could be at least carefully confident that the low is holding here because we have 5 waves up, we have 3 down, and we would need to move higher and follow through now. And in the next stage, we would need to reach sort of the 1330 level here in a wave 3, then the wave 4 down and the wave 5 up that could reach the 1366 level. This would again form a wave 1 of 3, yeah. And then there would be a wave 2 of 3 and so on. So we would basically also move up like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yeah. And that could take us into the region around $1,500, $1,600. So at the moment, there is a possible reversal signal here. That reversal signal will get stronger if we break above the 1310 level. And if we really get above the 1310 level, then we've broken out of the range, and then any retracement would be a potentially attractive long opportunity. We can draw a trend line here, and this shows that we're sort of still fighting with resistance. I mean, a break above this level, which is basically at $1,300, will already provide a first indication that we are pushing higher here. Yeah, so it's always, you know, basically a layer of confirmations that you're looking for. The first confirmation was a reversal in this target area, that this could be a bullish pattern. The second indication was a break above the descending trend line. The next indication would be a break above the 1310 level. The next indication would be to reach a 1330 level, then to hold obviously the wave 4 support and to move up in 5 waves, and then moving down in a wave 2 here, in holding a higher low would be the next indication or confirmation, and then breaking above this wave 5 high would basically only then we get the real confirmation, right, that a low was in. But you know, nobody wants to wait that long. So it's all about, you know, how confident are you and how much risk are you going to take. But important here that we moved out of the range. This is a good signal, and we did that in what appears to be at the moment an impulse. So that would indicate that the current consolidation, yeah, where we're basically dancing around this trend line, could lead to another breakout to the upside. So that's sort of what we're doing at the moment. Important to maintain the current scenario is to hold this wave 2 low, which is at 1275. So whatever happens, we must not drop below the 1275 level, other than, you know, if that happens, this whole possible breakout scenario that we have on the chart here will break down basically, right? So but it's at the moment looking okay. That's basically the update. So it could be finally the reversal of this 1-2 setup. Yeah, we expected to drop into this area, we've reversed out of it, and now we just need the sort of confirmation. As you can see, we're still sort of in this channel. Yeah, if I draw a parallel line here of this corrective channel, then you can see that we're basically still within this channel. Yeah, a break out of the range would be helpful to determine the direction here. So that's the signal we're waiting for. If I now go back to the 1 hour chart, we can see that on the 1 hour we are pushing higher. Momentum is still increasing. On the 1 hour RSI as well, pushing above 50. The MACD is pushing higher. We've got a break above the 0 line, which is generally a bullish pattern. The 4 hour, we just just about to do a bullish crossover on the MACD on the 4-hour. We also broke above the 50 level on the RSI, which is getting into bullish territory now on the daily as well. Yeah, seems like we're pushing higher again. And that's all adding to the whole idea that Ethereum could be in a possible breakout pattern as previously suggested. So let's see if we do it. You should know now all the relevant levels here. And this is, by the way, also one of the best green hourly candles that I've seen in a while. So let's see if it's really pushing through. Okay, that's my update about Ethereum. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.